No way! Look at that! I know, can you believe it? I need a closer look. Wow, so much goodies! Leave some for me! Were you always that small? This looks delicious! Hey, what are you doing? I want that! Great, now I only have half. Wow! Where are we? This is so cool! You go first. No, you. No, I insist. Okay. Ooh, the big plate! I'm so happy! Whoa! It's wonderful! It's bigger than my head! I can't wait to eat this! So light and so tasty. And I'm so jealous. Okay, my turn. Oh, great. Is this a joke? This wouldn't feed a mouse. Oh, I know. A cute thumb ring. That I can eat. This was a mistake! Help! Ah! This is so sore! Ah! There must be something I can do. Got it! I knew this bandage would come in handy. Stay still. This might hurt. There. Pretty good if I do say so. Are you kidding? I know. Take this. Have it. You go first. What are we like? Together? The big plate again? Yes! Oh, come on! Oh. Where is it? I think mine is broken. Check this out! Wow! Get in my stomach! Best sandwich ever! How's yours? It's tiny. Is this even a sandwich? It's a crumb. Not bad. But I need more. Earthquake! Sorry. That was me. Are you gonna eat all of that? Get your eyes off this. It's mine. Nom nom nom. So much for being besties. Oh, gimme! Food. How I've missed you. What's that noise? What did I say? Mine! Sorry. I, tripped. But no problem. It's your sandwich. Got it. I'm full anyway. Which card? That one. Go for it. Medium. Small? That's disappointing. Oh good, soda! I need a drink! Look at the difference! Huh? What's this? Okay, I know what we've gotta do! Pour the soda into the glass, and we get the candy! Ugh! Almost! Nice try, shorty! Watch this! Now to get that yummy candy. I thought this would work! Who's the shorty now? So no one gets candy? I think I know how to do this. Nice and slow. Hello. Ah! Classic. Now for part 2 of my plan. I'll pour this into the other glass. Yes! It worked! Twice the amount of candy. I'm so smart. I deserve this. Does this belong to you? Yes. Yes, it does. Unbelievable! Hey! My soda! And my candy! You're such a thief! Got you this. For me? Thanks! It's so sparkly. Yummy! Mmm. Next round. Challenge you for it. Snip, snip. You won. Yes, I'm so happy! I'm starting to regret this. Time to spice things up a little. Take a big bite. Let's get this over with. Just need a few things before I start. Can't forget the ice cubes. Here goes. This is… actually quite good. I like this. Ew, so spicy. Whatever. Small. I can deal with that. Aw, a teeny tiny pepper. So cute. I'm glad I've got this. No. Oh, try this! Thanks! Take your time. Phew, I needed that. Thank you. Okay, that one. Yes! Big! No, small again. Wow, that's a big tub of Nutella! Wait, this is timed? Better get ready. I think I'm gonna need a bigger spoon. Let's just do it. Wow, well this won't be hard. It won't fit! Maybe if I push harder. Get in there! So annoying! I need to think about this. What can I use? My fingers! Yes! I'll melt the chocolate. Such a genius! Almost there. A spoonful of chocolate goodness. Now that is good. Nah, I'm done. What? Oh no. So I lose? Ha! I have an idea. You're so immature. But it is funny. It's so tasty. Some more. Go! Oh wow! Poppets! There's so many! I know! 4, 5… Wait, did I count that one already? 1, 2… I lost count too. I don't know, but there's lots. Put them in the middle. 1, 2… Keep going. How high do we think we can stack them? Did you keep count? Great. 1, 2… Nope, no idea. How many are there? So how many Poppets were there? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun food challenges just like this one.